The question is, are you smart? What do you think? Are you smart? I don't know. I had this problem with smart people. I deal with a lot of smart people, and when new smart people show up, I found this pattern. They want to tell you so much that they know, and in just in just a few minutes they tell you everything that actually they do not know. Put it in other words, they, in their attempt to tell you how much they know, they quickly tell you. I got confused. I'm not that smart. I mean, like, people tend to tell you how much they do not know in trying to tell you how much they know. That's just my observation, but just my opinion. So my question to you is, are you smart? Yesterday I met like a really smart guy from Russia, Moscow. He was so smart. And I said like, wow, what a smart person. Are you smart? Tell me, what do you think? What do you think? Are you smart? Any kind of, you can help me out here. I have only 15 seconds to finish this video. You can help me out here, like just determine what smart is. Thank you.